Swami Vivekanand, born Narendranath Datta on January 12, 1863, in Kolkata, then Calcutta, India, is one of the most prominent spiritual leaders in the history of India. His autobiography is a collection of experiences, philosophies, and the events of his life, including his search for spiritual truth and his role in introducing the world to the teachings of Vedanta and Yoga. Vivekanand was born to a well-off Bengali family. His father was a successful lawyer, and his mother was deeply religious, which influenced his spiritual development. As a child, he showed a keen interest in philosophy, spirituality, and religion. He was particularly drawn to the works of the great Indian philosophers and mystics. Vivekananda's life changed dramatically when he met Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa in 1881. Ramakrishna was a saint and spiritual leader, who profoundly impacted Vivekananda's life. Under his guidance, Vivekananda learned deep spiritual wisdom, including meditation, devotion, and the philosophy of non-dualism. After Ramakrishna's death in 1886, Vivekananda took on the responsibility of organizing the Ramakrishna Order, which spread the teachings of his guru. He dedicated himself to serving humanity through social work and spiritual teachings. Swami Vivekananda gained international fame after his speech at the Parliament of World Religions in Chicago in 1893. His powerful speech on religious tolerance, unity, and the importance of Vedantic philosophy made him a renowned figure across the globe. His opening words, "Sisters and Brothers of America," won the hearts of the audience and signified his message of universal brotherhood. Vivekananda's teachings focused on the unity of all religions, the importance of self-realization, and the need for social service. He believed that religion was not just about rituals but about realizing the divinity within oneself. His famous quote, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached," exemplifies his call to action and self-discipline. Swami Vivekananda passed away on July 15, 1902, at the young age of 39. However, his teachings continue to inspire millions of people worldwide. Vivekananda's autobiography reflects his journey of self-realization, his spiritual quests, and his efforts to promote the spiritual and philosophical heritage of India to the world. His work laid the foundation for the modern Hindu Renaissance and continues to inspire people globally to follow the path of self-discipline, service to humanity, and spirituality. Swami Vivekananda's life was documented by his close disciple, Romain Rolland, in the book, The Life of Vivekananda and the Universal Gospel. This biography delves into the life, struggles, and profound teachings of this great soul.